I surely hope I don't have any dinner in my teeth or glitter in my teeth. Oh, those glitter lips. You guys have already seen the video. They were bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Wedding Wednesday. I am so excited for this series. This is the 5th Wedding Wednesday video that I have filmed. And if you're unfamiliar, this is my little mini series leading up to my wedding where I talk about all things wedding related. I have done some really fun videos, so if you are a bride-to-be or if you just really like wedding stuff, then check out that playlist. I'm gonna link it down below for you. It's not a thumbs down, that was my link it down below for you. Thumbs up for sure. But anyways, I'm so excited. Wedding, actually by the time this video goes up, my wedding will be over, which is crazy. I'm pre-filming a lot because my goal is to not have to film any videos for the month of May. I'm getting married in May and I just want to be like really relaxed and not have to worry about editing and stuff like that. But I'm trying to pre-film enough to where you guys will have enough videos and you won't there won't be any gaps, you know what I mean? But anyways, that's not what the point of this video is. Today we're talking about bridesmaids gifts, and the reason why I'm pre-filming and waiting so long to post this is I don't want to spoil anything. Love language, have you guys ever heard of the whole love languages things? Well, yeah, gifting is definitely my love language, and I love gifting things to people. I love receiving gifts. So bridesmaid gifts were one of the things that I was most excited about for my wedding. If you're a bride-to-be and you're trying to brainstorm things to give to your bridesmaids, this was one of the things I started thinking about this like pretty much from the moment I got engaged. I started thinking about what I wanted to give my bridesmaids as gifts. So I get really excited about giving gifts. And I feel like bridesmaid gifts are the perfect opportunity for you to say thank you to your friends and your family and your bridesmaids for helping you get ready for your wedding. You have to think these girls helped you with your bridal shower, they helped you with your bachelorette party, they're gonna help you on your wedding day, they're gonna hopefully keep you stress-free, and it's just really important to have people by your side that are going to support you and stand up for you. And this is like, I think it's really important to thank them, you know, in a proper way. So you definitely don't have to go all out like I did, but I bought a lot of stuff for my bridesmaids and I'm so excited to share with you guys. Are you ready? Let's do this. So I tried to purchase everything over time slowly, and I think that's one of the reasons why I started buying my bridesmaid gifts so early, is because I knew that I wanted to buy a lot. And when you buy a lot at once, that's a lot of money at once. And so I tried to extend, what am I trying to say? I tried to expand the expenses over time. Does that make sense? You guys, it's really late. It's like 10 p.m. And so I never film videos this late and my mind is like, blah. Anyways, this was the first thing. I knew I wanted to get them a robe because I've seen all those really cute like Pinterest pictures and Instagram pictures of the bride with all her bridesmaids and matching robes, but I wanted to find the perfect robe. So I really love florals, but I wasn't so sure about florals as a bridesmaid robe. There's a lot of them out there that are like pre-made florals. I ended up going with the solid color. So here is what the robes look like. I'm unsure if I'm gonna leave them in the bag or if I'm gonna like wrap them in a certain way. I actually do not have like a gift box for these yet. I'm doing a destination wedding, so I have to fly all of these things, you know, to a destination, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna wrap or gift these yet, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna package the robes. But I bought these from an Etsy shop, and this was the only shop I could find where names were actually embroidered in the robe instead of just like ironed on. These are actually like stitched, embroidered in the robe. They're super high quality, but they're lightweight, which is perfect because I'm getting married in the summertime and I wanted something lightweight for them. So here's what the robe looks like. It's a short robe, and on the bottom it is lined with lace, you can see right there, and the sleeves have lace on them. And I just think that these are so pretty. They will definitely need to be steamed before we take photos. But yeah, you can see the names are actually like stitched into the robe, which this was the only shop I could find. I will say, if you do order from this shop, I was a little bit disappointed with the color of the thread. So my wedding colors are mint green and orchid purple, and the color of this thread was orchid. So I was thinking that it was gonna be orchid purple, and it's definitely more of like a a dark lilac. So I was a little bit disappointed with that, but that's okay. The robe overall is super cute. And then I got one for myself right here. It is white and in mint green. It has my new last name. So it says Mrs. Conan. Conan will be my new last name. But yeah, that's gonna make for the perfect, cutest getting ready picture, don't you think? I also got one for my flower girl, you guys. She is going to die. I think that like flower girls, I think it's important to buy things for your flower girl as well because you want them to be part of the bridal party. And I just know she's gonna love matching all the girls. So I got a little miniature version of the robe. That was another thing that made me really like that Etsy shop is they had children's sizes too. So now that I look at this, this might be like a little bit too small for her. She's grown a lot in the past. Gosh, I got these about a year ago. I bought these really far in advance. But anyways, she's gonna love it. The next thing I purchased for my bridesmaids is a makeup bag. So this is the one that I bought for myself. These are from Shop Glitzy Glam, which is Elle Fowler and Blair Fowler's shop. It's reopened now. If you were a fan back in the day, they've reopened it. So these are the waffle weave makeup bags. These are really decent size. So I'm almost thinking I can put all of their gifts in this, and this is the gift bag. Maybe I can put like a ribbon around it or something because they expand to be about that tall and they're pretty decently big. So this has everybody's names on it just like their robes. So their robes will have their first name on it and then their makeup bags will have their first name on it. All of them look exactly the same. They just have their specific names on them. I also got one of these for my flower girl because she's a super girly little girl and she's gonna totally love that. So yeah, I thought that that was just super duper cute. I don't know, monograms are huge in the South. I don't know if they're big everywhere else, but all of the like recommendations I've received from people were all like personalized, like monogrammed things. So I think that this is really cute. Plus I'm a makeup girl, so why not give them something that is like reminiscent of me, you know what I mean? So yeah. The next thing I got them is from Kate Spade. I bought these, oh my gosh, I bought these a really long time ago. I might have bought these before the robes. Actually, I definitely bought these before the robes. I bought these when we were still in Arizona. I ordered them online and I'm so glad I got them when I did because I have never seen them pop up on Kate Spade since this. So I got them at the perfect time. It's gonna be really hard to show you guys on camera, but these are rose gold bangles and they are specific for not bachelorette, oh my god. I have bachelorette on my mind. It's Matt's bachelor weekend this weekend and I know I got bachelorette on mine. It's specific for bridesmaids, so I think it's called the bridesmaid bangle. They do still have these in gold and silver, but rose gold, they only had that one time and I'm so glad I did it. Got them at that time. Oh my god. I'm getting so tongue-tied because I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So if you can see, there is like little stones around the outside, probably Swarovski crystals or something like that. And then in between the rose, this says birds of a feather, two of a kind, perfect pair, partners in crime, peas in a pod, sidekicks. And then on the inside, it says Kate Spade, New York, and it says best friend forever. So I thought that that was so super cute. They're specific bridesmaid bangles, like they're called bridesmaid bangles. And yeah, I can't wait to give these to my bridesmaids. I think that bangles are always a good choice also because they're just very classy and timeless, you know what I mean? They match with everything. So my sister is my maid of honor and I wanted to be sure to treat her with something a little bit special because she is the maid of honor. So instead of getting her the Kate Spade bangle, I actually got her a sterling silver bracelet. I ordered this off of Bradford Exchange. If you've never heard of them before, check out their website. They have some really cute things. They have cute jewelry, cute like little trinkets and statues and stuff like that. But this is also a bracelet, so I wanted to stick with the bracelet theme. We also got our mom's bracelets, so Matt and I both got our mom's bracelets for parent gifts, which I think I'm going to show you guys in a different video, but this is called the Always My Sister bracelet, and it does have diamonds on it, like genuine diamonds, so it's fine jewelry, diamonds, and it's very well wrapped. I hate to open this, but I want to show you guys what it looks like. So it is a sterling silver, so it won't turn her wrist green. And then open it up. It's so cute. It says sisters on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Sisters, and then there's the diamonds that they're talking about. And then on the inside it says, there's no friend like a sister and no sister quite like you. So very, very cute. I think she's gonna love that. That way she still has a bracelet that she can wear at the wedding. So one of the things when you give your bridesmaids gifts, you kind of want to give them things that they can use again or wear again. And then something that they can wear at your wedding or that's meant for your wedding. So a lot of times jewelry is a very common gift that you give your bridesmaids on your wedding day. So the dresses, when I bought these, I wasn't sure what kind of neckline their bridesmaids dresses were gonna be. They ended up getting actually high necklines. So it's a good thing I didn't get the necklaces. So necklaces are always a good option, earrings, but then it's like, okay, are all their ears pierced? So bracelets are always a safe bet because almost every dress that they wear is going to allow for a bracelet. So yeah, they can wear these on the wedding day. So since I'm doing destination wedding, everyone's gonna be there for at least 4 days. I think a week actually is, sorry, there's a hair in my face. A week is actually when most people booked their trip to be a week long. So they're gonna need some clothes, right? So I picked up these from Express. I got them on clearance during like last bridal season. They say Bride Squad on them and they are like muscle tanks. So I figured that these would be perfect to wear lounging by the pool. They could even be like pajama shirts or something like that, you know, however they want to use them. But I did get one of these for each of my bridesmaids as well. The shirt we got for our flower girl is so stinking cute. So I don't know if you can see, got these from an Etsy shop called The Little Kitten. I'll link it all down below for you. But it says Petal Patrol and the back is like a sheer lace. I don't want to take it out because I think I'm going to give it to her in this plastic, but so cute. I wanted her to have a shirt just like the big girls. So kind of sticking with the destination wedding theme and having to sleep and stuff like that, you know, because we're gonna be at a resort and you gotta sleep. I got each of my bridesmaids these little face masks. I got these from Target actually online. They were only like $3 each, so I was really surprised by that. It's hard to see and I don't want to take it out of the bag because it's white and my hands are full of glitter from the glitter lips I just tried. But they say bridesmaid on them. So I thought these would be really cute when they're in the hotel room trying to relax, get some shut-eye, take a nap during the day, whatever. Sleep masks, I love sleep masks, so I figured they would too. This is the only part of the gift that they are actually aware of because I had to ask them what size shoes they wore. And I was looking on a bunch of different Etsy shops and I wanted to be sure, is this the right one? Nope, this is mine. I wanted to be sure to pick out something that they liked. So this is my version of it, but these are barefoot sandals. Where are theirs? Where'd they go? Here they are. I actually picked these up from an Etsy shop that is in like Indonesia, I believe is where they were sent from. I don't know, does it say it on it? I know it's international, so it took a little bit longer to receive them, but well worth it. So yeah, I sent them a couple of different screenshots of different barefoot sandals. So if you're unfamiliar, well, I'm getting married on the beach, and so I was like, I don't want them to wear shoes because then sand's gonna get in their shoes, and then flip-flops are just a little bit too informal. So barefoot sandals are the sandals that wrap around your toe. So they actually like loop around your, I think it's your big toe or maybe it's your middle toe, and then around your ankle. I'll insert a screenshot for you guys instead of trying to show you my foot. But, so yeah, they are aware that they're gonna be receiving these. But here is what they look like. They have little starfish on them. Super cute, super high quality. And so yeah, this part wraps around their ankle and then this part goes around, I think it's their middle toe. Or their toe next to their big toe, I wanna say. So yeah, those are the shoes that they're gonna be wearing on my wedding day. Super cute. God, these are they're so high quality. Like, I don't know, they were very, I don't wanna say they were inexpensive, but they were like mine. So mine are made out of pearls and Swarovski crystals. These were $65. And the ones that I got for my bridesmaids, I think they were $25 each, which is still expensive, but like compared to this, I was expecting really poor quality. But no, they're really, really nice quality. And they came in these little pouches, so perfect for gift giving. I also got some for my flower girl, only hers have little turquoise stones on them as well, so she can have elements of mint green. My bridesmaids dresses are mint green, so I didn't want them to have mint green shoes also, or aqua shoes also, but flower girl dress is white, so I wanted to have, you know, I wanted to give her elements of green also. The last thing I picked up for my bridesmaids is a little makeup kit by MAC. So this is the Simple Smoky Eye Kit by MAC. I bought these at Ulta, and the reason why I bought them this is, so we're doing destination wedding and we're gonna be in another country, and it's gonna be really difficult for anybody to like get their makeup done unless they get it done at the resort, which is really expensive, and I would never expect anybody to pay that amount of money to get their makeup done. And a lot of my friends don't have an elaborate makeup collection like I do. So I wanted to kind of help them out, at least somewhat in the makeup department. So I got them this. It comes with an eyeshadow palette, an eyeliner, and an eyeshadow brush. So this will definitely help them out, you know, if they don't have stuff like this. So like one of my sisters doesn't wear makeup pretty much at all, so this will be perfect for her. But here is kind of what it looks like right here. Just neutral, smoky eyes. I think it'll work for pretty much anybody. You got a cream color, you got crease colors, just perfect combination. Whew, my camera died and I had to replace the battery, so if things look a little different, because I had to get up and move things around a little bit. But anyways, yeah, I think this is the perfect little kind of beginner makeup kit. It's MAC, so it's good quality. It's something they can have forever and use forever and have like long after the wedding is over. So yeah, I thought that this was, I don't know, something that I would want to get. So yeah, that is going to be my bridesmaid gift package for each of my bridesmaids. So again, I got them a robe with their name embroidered on it, barefoot sandals to wear during the ceremony, a bridesmaid bangle bracelet from Kate Spade, a MAC eye makeup kit, a t-shirt to lounge around in, hang out by the pool in, you know, whatever they want to do, an eye mask to help them sleep, and a makeup bag. So I really hope that this gave you guys some ideas if you are trying to figure out what to give your bridesmaids. I know robes are really big right now, so that's kind of like a, you know, of course I got them robes because that's what everybody gets their bridesmaids now, but sometimes people get their bridesmaids, like they'll buy their dress for them instead, and that's their bridesmaid's gift, or they'll pay to get their makeup done, or things like that. I found that these were all very useful, very functional, very practical gifts, things that they will definitely get lots of use out of. So let me know in the comment section down below what you got your bridesmaids. If you've already been married and you had all this fun stuff already happen to you, let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know what you want to see for Wedding Wednesday. So by the time this video goes up, again, my wedding will already be over. And I do plan on filming a Q&A for you, but if there's anything else that I missed, let me know down below so that I can film those videos for you. And other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time.